Hello, today I'm in Audi A3. In this video I'll show you how to activate Android Auto function. In the beginning, let's connect USB cable to your car and then connect it to smartphone. Now when it's connected, unlock the smartphone and activate Android Auto. Agree. Continue. And it's done. Thanks to Android Auto you can use Google Maps, Spotify, make phone calls, manage settings, change wallpaper and many more. Also, you can check apps, and to leave Android Auto simply press Audi. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.